Dito na naman kami sa gala. Portsmouth. Oh, yes. I said to you, wait for daddy. Hindi ka maghintay. Daddy, hindi ka naghihintay na naman. Yeah. You're not walking around like that. Ella. Si Ella nandun din. Tingnan. Sa Portsmouth kami. Ang ganda dito. Malamig lang yung ano nila rito. Ella. What is that? I am coming down. I will jump a bit higher. Wait. Ouch. What's that? Oh, this is like King Henry the VIII. The Mary Rose in the Battle of the Solent. Is it?
Mommy,
They don't have a sun castle here, but we are in the beach.
Mommy, you think
It's beautiful, isn't
I
it?
want to go to the sun now?
Sun? I think the sun is there in the other side. Where is the sun? Really?
Yeah, that way.
Find it then.
Way.
Gusto niya kasi hanapin yung beach. It's beautiful here.
Mommy, it's funny again.
Ang ganda dito. Michael. Doon na si Michael. Sila. Michael's so quick to jump around. We're going on the top, on the bottom. Ba? Okay. We're coming. You can do it, Ella. You can do it. Oops. Where? Oh! Is it this pyramid? Where's the sandpit? Oh, yeah. Ella is really excited on the sandpit. Yummy? How about you, Michael? Yummy? Ito.
Mama, you love joy?
Yeah. I don't know.
He likes peanut.
Yeah. It's really nice, though. Come on. Nun. Come back here, Michael. Let's go. Sige, okay. We're going somewhere. Where?
And Ducky, why did
For Tisbury, Gillingham, Coombe,
Place here.
and Yeovil Junction.
We need to find somewhere of the.
Train will attach and terminate at Salisbury. Some stations
We go this way.
Which way?
If you are travelling to Tisbury, Gillingham,
Go what to
or Sherwood,
12:58.
you should listen to announcements on the train.
12:58. But get something. I thought someone's looking at me. And then I saw the statue there. Nakala ko may tumitingin sa akin. Wait. Yeah, I think we're going to platform. The one going to Weymouth. Yeah, Weymouth.
That man is not moving, Mommy.
Is it?
Train? Hello, it's this long. Michael, how can you on and like the train?
Don't run, yeah.
Where's Michael?
Is it here? Yes.
Or train?
With the spoons there as well.
We can see the.
I see.
Yeah. Ella. Yeah, this is the castle now. Yeah.
I'm hungry.
No. Takbo sila ng takbo. For us! Sabi, ganda dito. Where are you going to? Wow. Wow. This is beautiful, isn't it? I like the pink flower. To the top. Go on the top, Ella. I'll take a photo of you on the top. Go. With Michael. I will stay in the bottom. Where are you now? Say hi. Ah? What?
Daddy, go that way.
Do you want to go to secret path now?
Go here. Go here.
No, come down. Yeah. Come down now. Where? Come on, Ella. Ganda.
Playground. And no slide. And
But we have a secret path. Michael, we go to secret path. Ganda siya. Yes, of course you can. Oh no, it will be the stone, yung mga bato masakit.
I want to walk on it.
No. It's so painful, the stone. Masakit.
Oh, I will walk it.
Mm-mm.
And go on my shoes.
Ang ganda, oh. Mm.
Take my hand away.
Ella, no. Dito kami. Disco.
I didn't see the flashes.
Oh, wow. This is cool.
Coffee shop shut.
Yeah, but this is cool, isn't it? Oh, this is looks like a house, this one.
Oh, yeah.
Let's come back here in the summer.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Ah, they have a restaurant here. May restaurant sila dito. Ang ganda. Ella. Mga ano.